And who thinks it's terrible for somebody who has multiple kids and one of the parents is doing their part to provide for their child, and the other children who are parented also by somebody else who are noticeably absent? The person who has the children, possession of the children, the custodial parent at this point, who is forced, I guess, to have responsibility for the children at all times, has an attitude with one of the few that are part of planting the flowers that bloom and blossom in the children and turn into human beings or whatnot, decides to bring something for their child alone. What do you guys think about the other person who is a parent as well, expecting that one parent to bring, whether it's food, clothes, or whatever it is, for all of the children? Now, there's other people responsible for these other children, but you want to put an axe through the brain of the one person that shows up to provide something for the one child that they have.